In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to create rules in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. It really helps us out and keeps you updated on all the latest tips and tricks. First of all, let's get you started by opening your project in Asana. Navigate to the specific project where you want to set up some automation. It's really important to make sure you're in the right place so the rules can work effectively within that context. Once you're in your project, you'll want to locate the Customize menu. Look towards the top right corner of your screen, and you should see a button labeled Customize. Go ahead and click that. This menu is your gateway to fine-tuning your project settings. Next up is where the magic happens. Let's talk about rules. After you click on Customize, you'll see a list of project options pop up. Simply select Rules from that list. This will open the Rules Management section, where we can begin automating your tasks effectively. Now it's time to initiate a new rule. You should see a button labeled Add Rule, which might be noted as the I Add DOM button in the interface, depending on your setup. Click that to open the rule creation menu. All right, here comes the exciting part. We're going to make use of AI. From the rule creation options, you should see an option to Create with AI Studio. Go ahead and choose that. AI can help streamline this process and enable you to set up complex rules in just a few moments. You're almost there. Next, click the Create button located at the bottom left of your screen. This will open the AI prompt where you can input the specifics of your rule. This is where you get to be clear and detailed. When drafting your rule, you need to clearly describe your trigger. This is the event that starts your rule. For example, it could be something like, when a task is marked as complete. Then you'll also want to define the action, what happens after the trigger executes. This could be assigning the task to a specific team member or moving it to a different section of your project. Once you've meticulously drafted your prompt, click the Create button to generate your rule. The AI will take your inputs and create a rule tailored to your specifications. It's really quite remarkable how quickly it can understand and generate these actions. Finally, before wrapping up, it's essential to review and verify the rule that the AI has generated. Take a moment to check it over for accuracy. Ensure that the logic aligns with the needs of your project. This final verification step is crucial because you want your automation to work seamlessly within your team's workflow. And that's it. You've just learned how to use AI to create rules in Asana. By integrating automation into your project management, you can save time and improve the efficiency of your team. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tips. We have plenty more content coming your way. Thanks for watching and happy project managing.